Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something that's sure to bring a smile to your face and some fun to your kitchen. The -X PEEPS Chick Mini Waffle Maker. And let me tell you, this is the best penis waffle maker you can find on the market right now. Whether you're celebrating Easter, just in the mood for a fun breakfast, or want to treat yourself to a special snack, this little waffle maker is a game changer. This mini waffle maker lets you whip up adorable 4-inch waffles in the shape of PEEPS chicks, bringing a touch of festive magic to your morning routine. The design is perfect for Easter, but honestly, these waffles can brighten up any time of the year. You can easily make individual waffles, hash browns, or even keto-friendly chaffles with this device. It's not just for waffles, it's versatile and can handle a wide range of recipes. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to use. There's no need to fumble with complicated settings or wait forever for your food. Just plug it in, and within minutes, you'll have a hot, golden, crispy waffle ready for whatever toppings you choose. The dual non-stick cooking surfaces heat up quickly and cook your waffles evenly, so you don't have to worry about undercooked spots. Plus, the non-stick surfaces make cleanup a breeze. The -X PEEPS Chick Mini Waffle Maker is compact and lightweight, so it won't take up too much space in your kitchen. At just 4.8 inches in diameter, it's perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone who wants a quick, easy breakfast or snack without the hassle. The yellow chick design adds a fun pop of color to your countertop, and it's a great conversation starter for any breakfast gathering. And here's the best part. It comes with a recipe booklet, so you've got a few ideas to kickstart your waffle making adventures. Whether you're making classic waffles with syrup or getting creative with toppings and decorations, this waffle maker opens up so many possibilities. If you're looking for a waffle maker that's not only functional but also fun and festive, the -X PEEPS Chick Mini Waffle Maker is the one to grab. So why not add a little magic to your mornings? Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more reviews here on Product Critique.